See, Ammo, today's topic we are going to see discover social networking, accounts associated with the person. Here my point. What we will do, like just see, this is one user is there. That user information you can collect with the help of some tools. We will use the tools or with the help of website. So how it is coming, we will see today. Okay. So inside the Kali Linux, we have this all part.
I didn't get you.
I'm telling you, this is user information. User information we will get with the help of some tools is there that is by default installed inside my Kali Linux.
Okay.
Called my Kali Linux. Okay. And we will see how it is getting information, how it will give the information to me. Understood my point?
We want to retrieve the information from the user.
Obviously, or not from the users. We want to retrieve the information of the users with the help of that tools. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So
okay.
Let me come here. We have the Kali is there. Okay. You should come here inside the Kali Linux. This is my just a minute. You should have to come on the information gathering. Okay. Inside information gathering, the Multigo is there. Hello. You have the Multigo is there. You should have to come on the Multigo and you have to create the account. Understood? I have the account is there, but at the first time when you will be installed the Multigo, follow my steps. You have to create the account. Let it be start Multigo. See here, you will get the Multigo like this way. Open it. I'm giving instruction. It will open here. See, this is my page. Okay. When you will be open the first time, it will ask you to create the username and password. Understood?
Okay, just give me some time. I will open now.
Okay, fine.
I don't have any.
Okay. I'm writing here. Create the username and password for first time. Give the correct mail account. Give the Multigo. Give the correct mail account. And password. Okay, fine.
It is a start module, so it's starting.
Let it be start. Then after go on the free on. Multigo have so many. You will find that so many blocks will open. You should have to go on the free one. Okay, free options is coming. Go on the free.
Okay, okay.
Third one is free. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Click on that and create a username and password.
It's taking time actually.
Yeah, it will take time. It will take time. You will get there. Option is coming here. Multigo CE free. You will get here Multigo. When you will open, you will get here Multigo CE free option. You find it free. So you have to run it. Clear my point?
Okay, okay.
Do it. That is your community edition. It is known as also your community edition. This is known as your community edition. How will be logging? How will be logging? Hello.
Yes.
You have to go on the page, Google page. Okay. Here you should open the Google page and you have to create new login on Multigo. Google it. Okay.
I have to create first.
Yeah.
Google.
Yeah. You have to come here to Google. You have to come here on the Google and here. Here you have to go. Multigo. Are you getting my point? Here. This is the extension. https multigo.com registration. Understood? If we go back, come here. See here, the registered Multigo CA account. Are you getting my point? C is what? Common edition. Understood?
Okay, free.
Common edition. Common edition. Understood? If will be click here. If will be click here.
It's taking very long.
Net is slow, maybe. Here you should write first name, last name, understood, password, then after repeat the password, then after I am not a robot. Clear and registered it.
Yes.
After that, they will share the link there open your, if you are going with Gmail, you have to open the Gmail account here on your browser, and then after open the link, and through the link you can uh, reactivate your Multigo. Understood?
I think my Kali stopped working completely.
Okay, I'm showing you. See here. Okay, see here. What you will do.
I'm restarting the Kali links one more time.
Restart your Kali once.
Yes, I'm doing that now.
Mohammed, let me explain it. Okay, it will starting. Okay, I given you that details how to go to login and all. Okay, register it. Then after it will be sent the link to your mail account. Through mail account, you will be just click. You can directly log into your Multigo. There you should have to give your email ID. Then after password, you have to come here. Like this was the Multigo page. Are you getting my point? Understood?
Okay.
So these are the tools and everything you will find here. What you have to do in the first time, you have to come here and see here. Like this is the way, like you have to go that tutorial also it will provide you. Clear? So first time what you have to do is close this one, and you will be come on this page. Then after you have to click here. Understood? First time this plus sign, you will click here. It will open. Let it be open. See here, this page is open. Okay, new ground. Are you getting my point? The first graph. This is my first graph. What I will do, see in the left side, you will find the complete details. What you want. See here, it will giving you the details about person, just to devices. Just see what is the terms is coming here. Person, devices, banner, IPv4, MX record, okay, NS record, net block, URL, websites is there, circular area, location is there. Then after come down, services is there, alias, lots of things is coming, emails address, lots of things is person. See here, entity is the person of the emails. Like these are the things you will get through the Multigo. Understood? Collect the information. What is things? Collect the information. Twitter is a list. Lots of things is coming. So what I will do, I will come here and I will click on the person. I want to collect the information about some person. So what I will do, you have to drag this one. Okay. So just right click on the person and just drag it on the that page is there. On the page you have to drag it. Clear my point? Just click here. And then after what you have to do, just go here on the name that is by default some name it will show John Doe. So you have to change the name, and in place of name, what you will do, any names you will give it here. I will check here the name as it is. Here I will write the name as it is. Bill Gates. Okay.
Okay.
Change the name as Bill. The full name Bill Gates.
Okay.
First name is my Bill, and last name is my Gates. I will okay. This is the name. What I want to, I want the information about Bill. What I will do, you have to right click on that, okay, and verify what you want the information about Bill Gates. I need an email ID. Understood? Running. Verify the name of the Bill Gates. I want second email address PGP. Understood. I want. Okay. These all information I want to collect. Phone number. Understood. 3-4 options I have given here. And it is fetching the information about this all. Let it be go. See here, these are the information is coming. Let me close this all. You will get here. See my,
Can you maximize?
yeah, that's I'm trying to maximize it. Just a minute.
No, your calendar screen actually.
Yeah, my calendar. Just a minute. See here, these are the domains. If I'll be click here, see, it is showing me billy001 at the rate of gmail.com. He is using. Understood? Hello? He is using the honor of Bill Gates. Any names. I'm not telling you that only this Bill Gates. It is collecting all information about the name of the Bill Gates who is using the email ID is billy001 at the rate of gmail.com. You understood my point?
But if you want to find for a specific person,
A specific for persons, then you have to give the specific person's complete details. Understood? If you know the complete details about the any persons, then you have to provide there. Clear? See here, Billy 0001 at the rate of hotmail.com. You want to see here, the name is same. Notes, you can give the notes attachment, no attachment is there, and summary is this one. Understood? Clear?
yes.
Tell me. If you want the particular person, you have to give the particular person. I am using here only the name. If I will give here the Soros see here that Bill Gates I check. Understood my point? If I want to check, are you there? See what I will do. I will discard all and I am coming here. And what I will do, I will give the information about only my name. Let me come here. Information me. Multi. See, it's open multi-go. You will find here. This is my browser GUI. I open this one. See, it's asking for updates also. Understood? Hello?
Yes.
When you need to update 95 MB, you have to provide the update. You got it? Your Kali is working?
Yes, it's working. I'm trying to register.
What you do, you should come here, then after here. You want layout is open. Open it.
I didn't see what you just did now. I didn't see that.
You have to click here. You have to click on this page. This is the
Okay.
page. In this page, you should come and click it. Here, the new graph will open, and through that new graph here in the left side, you have to. I close this that pop-up. Okay, that pop-up you have to drag here. Clear my point? Understood?
Can you show,
No,
show that?
it's updating. See here, it's updating. Wait a minute. Open it now. Open it. Give me the permission to your Kali.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm registered now.
I make your host. Just give me the permission.
Okay, okay. Mm. Uh, Actually, I have one problem actually. My keyboard, my keyboard is not like comfortable, so I'm not able to find update it.
Restart your PC then. Okay.
No, it's fine.
Use virtual.
No, it's fine.
You use
I got
virtual.
it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay. Open it.
They send me a mail.
Yeah, you will get the mail through mail. That mail, inside the mail, they will send you the link. That link you have to just come on your Multigo. That's login page. Then after you should have to log in, and after you come into Multigo. And then after you try to get the information about it. Then after you have to come on the Multigo page. On the Multigo, what you will do?
You want me to share my screen? You want
Again?
me to share my screen?
Yeah, you share your screen. Share your screen.
You can see? No?
Yeah, what you will do, come here. Yeah, run it. Open it. What you do? Open it.
Yeah, I'm opening my to
Yeah.
see the link.
Yeah.
This is the link, sir.
Wait a minute. It should come here. What? Activate the multi-core. Come down. 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 That is the link. That is the link. Yeah. Open it.
Hmm?
Click on that.
And then
Download multi-core.
it is downloaded. It is there already, right?
So you download. That is the new version. Okay. It will be activated with that. That's why I'm getting this updated. But download. Mr. Kali, right?
Yeah, this is Kali.
Down. 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 Down.
Down.
Yeah. Yeah. Come down. Down. Download multi-core. Okay. After this, restart your PC. Restart your file.
So to reset my Kali.
Restart this again. When you install any
What you
software,
said, sir?
when you install any software, just restart once again.
Okay, okay. And there, this what to do from here?
Wait a minute, it did not came. Go up, go up. Next, next. From here, here. No, don't go back. Just up, up. This one. Go up, not back. See, in the right hand, you come here. See, cancel on the cancel button. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Cancel button. Right. Up is there. Up. Go up. Scroll it. Yeah, correct. Scroll on. Go up. Complete up. Click here. Click here. You write here the first name. Give.
Now they're asking me to register. I
Are you
registered already.
okay? Just wait a minute for some time. Wait a minute. Then after you restart your. It's done. Okay.
Yes.
Restart your PC once.
I have to install first before to
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Don't do anything here. Just go and restart it once again.
I just have to restart.
Yeah. Close this one. Go on the multi-go. Close this complete GUI.
What, sir?
Close the complete GUI. This one. Browser.
To
Close it. Close it. Okay. Go again on the multi-go. Right here. Yeah. Here is multi-go. Okay. Click on multi-go. Wait a minute. Run it.
I have to click on this.
Yeah. Yeah. Run. Accept. Next. Go up. Move your cursor up.
I'm going. It is slow actually.
See here. Write your email ID.
I need to open my browser to get at the.
No. Email address. What is your email address? Email address you give here now.
No, it is there, but I did it. I'm not able to find. I did it on my keyboard.
Okay. Okay. This is the issue happening.
Yeah, I need to do this one. No.
And after that, what happened? No, everywhere you have to type and copy it, like M from different one.
That is the problem.
You have this option is there, right? Your
The keyword name actually
virtual.
are not.
Not, give the caption, correct caption. Caps J.
Huh?
That captcha is there, no? Right?
Yes.
It's J or V? It's J, right?
This is V, and the second one I don't know.
4. Numeric 4. Next. The captcha is incorrect. That is not, it is a J. It's a J. Click here again. Go up.
Oh. Okay.
Next. Go up. Hey, you entered the incorrect password.
Oh, wait. Okay. Excuse me. I need to-
Password is
But
incorrect again.
this is the password I just gave now.
It's not taking that. Again. Capture was incorrect. Just food. 8. It's not J. It's 8. Numeric 8. J. 8. Next. What happened?
The password, this is my only password I'm using. I just put that one and it's not working.
Use some other email ID. You have on the Gmail. You have on the mail. Gmail. Are you using mail ID Gmail?
No, yes, also.
So try on the Gmail.
No.
Okay. Give me permission. You should come on my page. Make me host. Yeah.
You are the host now.
Yeah, I am the host here. Restart now. Should come here. Information gathering. Multi-go. Updating. See here, when you will be update some more application, you will find that will be installed inside that with Multigo. If you install in any software, okay, and then they will ask you for updates, and you will find some kinds of the new software they will be updating inside that. Clear? Understood. So always
Yes.
remember when you are working on the Kali Linux or kinds of any kinds of software, you should your software should be updated. Clear, friends? Okay.
Okay.
So I'll be here. That is, see, that's my Okay, it will go get table before that it was 4.1, right? It's showing me at 4.2. Okay, so this is the new versions I am getting after the updatation. Inside my 2020, that's the Kali line. Inside my that 2020 of the Kali line. Okay, so what I will do, let me come down and I'll be show you. And it is multiple very important tools to getting the information of your getting the information of the locations of the personal identity. So you should have to more practice on that multiple. Clear? Okay. Then questions 100% if you go to the writing examination, if you are planning that some questions should get 100% from your this part multiple. Clear? So what I will do, let it be on. See here.
Okay, just give me 1 minute, please.
Yeah, please.
I just
See here that Sudan is also inside that. If you will be open this one, you are getting here.
I'm coming, sir. I'm coming.
Then give me 1 minute. Just I'm back. Okay. Be ready. Take your 1 minute time. Just I'm back.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Are you there? See,
Can you make it as us?
yeah, yeah. I'm saying it. Just a minute. Okay, I have to go on the soda and so what I will do, you should come. Yeah, see here. This is your link. Here you have to come and click on that. This is okay.
Okay.
Click on that. It will open like this way. And after that, what you do,
The name is entity palette.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm taking it. I'm just coming and taking it. View.
No, no, it is there. It is there. It is there. It is there, sir. Go up. No, no, left. No, slowly, slowly. Go slowly. I will show you. Right, right. No, no, no. Right, right again. Okay, you have to come back. Okay. Go to entity palette. Down, down, down. Yes, that one. Click on that. Entity palette.
Entities. Yeah, entities. No, this one.
No, no, not this one. I was not talking about the. Go to. No, no, view.
View.
And no, no, not this one. You close it actually. Go to collection. I will see collection. Transform. I don't know. It was there right now. Machine. You just click on entity and it went. Or window. Check window. I will see Windows. Windows. Okay. Come to the third. No, no, no. Right. Right. Okay. Down. Entity palette is there. Down. Entity palette is there. Down. Left. Okay. Click on that one.
Yeah, it's there. See here. After that, what we will do, this is the person is there, okay? This is the person. What I will do, you will take and just drag it here, okay? I drag it, okay? What I will do, I will click on that and it will ask you the name. Understood? So what I will do, the full name I have given here, Bill Gates. I have given the full name is Bill Gates. The first name is my Bill. The next name is my.
How to change the name actually, sir?
Just right click on that. See here. John Day is there. Now right click on that. Right click or double click on that. Double click on that.
Okay, okay.
What I will do here is to write here caps Bill Gates. First name I will give here Bill tab Bill Gates. Okay, clear? Then after what I will do, I will okay. So this is the identification of the name. So what I want to collect the information of the Bill Gates, I will right click on that, and then after see here, email is there, email address is there, Bing is there, Bing is there. Through that, it will give me the complete information. So what I will do, I will come on the information, I will come on the email ID. I want the email ID. What I will do, I will click on that. Okay. So this is running for the email ID of the email Bill Gates. Again, I will right click on that. I want the email address on the with the help of PGP. Understood. Then after I want to collect the information about the email address through Bing. Run it. I want to collect the information about the phone number, Twitter application. See here. Are you getting me? See. After
Yes, I'm getting
this all, after completing this all, you are getting the information about the particular persons like Maida DE, Bill at the rate of GatesNet, B.Gates.Microsoft is there. Clear my points. Understood? So like this way you will get the complete information. What I will do, I will click on that and I will check this is related to whom. So I will do Twitter application. This one I will run. Yes. Twitter Authentic Service Manager. Sign in on that. Why this is not working
Okay, we
right
have to
now?
sign in first.
Yeah, you have to sign it on that.
Mhm.
Application. Website link. Run. So this is the complete information through the mail ID. It will show you. So through that mail also you can attack, create a number of mails, understood, and send to every mail ID. Are you getting my point?
Mhm.
Yes. It is asking me to authenticate for that. I will not give my personal information here. Twitter application, sign in here again. So like this way you will get the information of the entity responsibilities. Yes. Close it. No. This is the email ID it will show you. Understood? See here.
Mhm.
If we click here, this is the personal email ID of the particular guy it will show you.
But for me, it is not showing any result actually.
It will take time. It will take time. Understood. Only right click on that. If you want to create the other one, see, I have shown you the Bill Gates. What I will do,
Yeah,
I
I
will
did
come
everything.
new graph. In the new graph, I will take the other person. Just right click on that. Give the name as I will give my name. Saurabh Srivastava. Okay, this is my name.
Mhm.
I will give here Saurabh Srivastava. Clear? Okay.
Mhm.
This is the Saurabh Srivastava. What I want to run here, email, email PGP, email ping, it will come here. PGP sign, wait a minute. It will collect the complete information, then after it will be replicated here on the graph. Twitter applications. Wait, it will show you that it will collect the complete information. See here, these are the email ID. Understood? If you'll be click on that, hello,
Mhm.
are you there? See here, these are the information you will get here through Multigo. Okay, transform server, local and this one. These are the information, DNS and all. Through that, it is collecting the information. So what I will do, let me take the time.
For me also, I did it for a long time, but then nothing is coming till now.
It will take time. It will take time. See, when we come here, it is showing for this guy. Okay, but if the name of Saurabh Srivastava is not only the single guy. You understood? In a city, if we go, so many people are there, and through that all server it will fetch. And Bill Gates is the name. Understood? So because of that only, it will give you the information. Twitter. If you have the Twitter, listen to me. Hello, are you there? If you have the Twitter, what you do? If you have the Twitter, you should come here. Understood? I'm not using it Twitter. What you do? Come to Twitter application. Come on the Twitter application, and then after what you do, just click on that and log in your Twitter already. Before that,
I don't want to log in around this.
if you'll be logged in this, if you'll be logged in now, it will show you Twitter application. If you'll be logged in on the search Twitter, I'm talking about search Twitter. This is search Twitter. Understood? So if you'll be click here and log in this part, yes. If you'll be logged in here, it will give you the information about. It will be given information about like the, with the. It will show you the here. It will show you the. You can say it's your image should be come out. Understood? Like it's written here, no Cuiba, SN, this one, this one. It will show you the image here, and if it will come here, it will show you the your complete information. Are you getting my point? Understood?
Yes.
If you'll be click the because I'm not using Twitter, it is giving you collecting the information through the Twitter. What you do, you should come here. Understood? Just a minute. See, if I'll be come here. See, it's written here, no? Cuiba dot it's a Gmail. Understood? But it is not showing the face. Through face, you can easily identify like who is the guy. It's showing you Melda, DES dot Melda. Understood? It is showing you bill at the rate of gates.net. So it is and only it is not coming the image here. With the image, you can identify okay, this is the correct mail ID of the Bill Gates. Understood? So how will we get to like some mail this one Twitter or kinds of this Facebook through that you can identify. You understood my point or not? Genuine I'm talking about. The Twitter is for the genuine. This Twitter or Instagram, it will be click there, it's the genuine. The click, it's a green click, it's coming here. So here what you will do, I am coming here, I came here and what I did in the Bill Gates point, see, this is the Bill Gates. Understood? What I did, I came here, right click on that and here, Twitter search this part. Understood or not? If I will click here, see here, the following transformation required to sign into the Twitter or authentication to the Twitter application, search Twitter. Do you want to open the service manager to sign in? Yes, I want. So here it is telling you service manager, like you should have to log in on that. Click on the sign in button below. Understood? When we click here, the page will be open in your default browser. Okay. Follow the prompt to the sign in if any. After successfully signing, you can close the browser tab and return here. The call, tag protocol and call tag port columns can be edited by clicking on the cells. So what you have to do, there you have to Twitter account, create the Twitter. This is by default, it is 63141 call port. Hello, are you there? So this page by default it is opening your Twitter, redirect your information to the Twitter. You understood? To the browser. So what you have to do, you have to come here. You have to come here and just minimize it. And through that you have to log in your Twitter page. Are you getting my point? So what it will show you, just try to understand what it will show you. It will show you your information, info about. Wait a minute. It will show you the info about your information about identification, through image. Clear my point? So if it is showing the image, Bill Gates image, you can easily identify. So this is what we are doing. We are collecting. We are collecting the or gathering the information. Gathering the are you getting my point? What I'm telling you? Gathering the information about particular host or the client. This is my aim through what? Through multiple. Understood? This is 100% question should become in the second domain through multiple. Clear?
Yes.
This is your information about the multiple you should get it. Clear? It will be just a minute, hold a minute. If we will get the information through, write this point, get the info through Twitter, it will be clicked. See here, that particular host is showing here. See the particular host is showing here in the multiple, right? Come down. This is the particular host. Like
But is it safe to log in with my Twitter account here?
Yeah, it will show you.
No, is it safe?
Yeah, it is safe. Yeah, it is safe. It is safe. It is safe. Don't worry about it. Okay. And you can create the people are like hackers are doing the fake account. In the fake account. You understand my point? Clear.
Okay.
So what you have to do here, like Bill Gates is showing here. Understood? With here that it will be just come and put your cursor here. It will give you the information about friends and all circuit. Like how many friends and these are whom you are following, everything it will come you. It will show you here. Are you getting? It will be clicked and the Bill Gates also, whom you are following, this all information it will show you. And there in the right click, it will show you in the property view or of transformation. That complete information, transaction ID, everything it will come. Clear my point?
Okay.
So what you do, you should try this one. Okay, try on that and right click and get the complete information. Right click on that and get the complete information about this one. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. So just try to work on the Multigo and get the information. Get the info about the target or victim. Clear? Getting my point?
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
It is guide for collecting. It's not only a single guy of the sort of Srivastava name, it's a common name is here. So it is connecting and it is getting the more and more information. So you try to collect the information not only the Bill Gates, like who are the fame guys who have the like unique names and something like that. That's people IT or all you have to try and you have to collect it.
Okay.
Don't go like the common name. If you use the common name, it will be difficult to get information. Understood? No? Because it's collecting millions of the people are there with the name of the Sword of Srivastava. Understood? This is the common name in India. So use a specific name and something, and it will give. Fine.
Okay, sir. I got it.
Okay, so do this part, do this practical. Understood? Do this practical, and I'll become and I'll be take the class. Maybe evening also I will take your class. Okay. Yeah. Maybe in evening also I will take today your class.
Today?
Today evening I am telling. Today evening also I will take your class. I am telling you.
Okay, just call me, no problem.
Okay, I will call you.
Let's be busy around like 7 to 8. I'll go to. After that, I'll be free.
Okay, I will call you. Understood my point.
Okay,
go through that, huh?
Okay, because there is no power now, so I will.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.